Welcome to this tutorial for Stride Events. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your loyalty program. So you'll log into your account, and then you'll see all of the events that you have access to. These are, of course, our fake demo events. We only use these when we're making these tutorials. And today we're just going to look at our fake demo Renaissance Fair. All right, from the sidebar menu, you're going to go ahead and select Growth Tools and then Loyalty Program. Now, the first thing you're going to see is the discount details. So you're going to select what year you want to discount. We're going to do this year, since last year already happened. And then you'll select the amount. Maybe we'll do 5%, but maybe you want to do dollars instead. Sometimes people have a better time understanding dollars as opposed to percentages when it comes to a discount. So that can help boost the effectiveness of your loyalty program. But we're going to go ahead and leave it at 5% in this example. And then you'll set a usage limit. One important thing to keep in mind with this usage limit is that because the loyalty program sends out unique promo codes in each email, you're setting a usage limit for 50, 100 emails, depending on how many attendees or participants you've had in the past. So you don't want to send out a bunch of promo codes that have like 50 uses or that are unlimited uses. We're going to go ahead and keep this at 1, but you can set it at 2 or 3, depending on what your strategy is. And then you can set the start date and the end date. Maybe you're going to run it just for like a 1-month special, or you can let it run right up until registration or ticketing sales end. It's up to you. And then down here, you have the discounted items per order limit. And so if you have a usage limit that's higher than 1, but you want it to apply across multiple orders, you can set a limit here. Maybe if I had 2, but I wanted 1 discounted item per order, you can set that up here. Most of the time in this case, you're not going to need to worry about a limit on the discounted items in an order, since in most cases you'll be limiting the usage here with the usage limit. All right. Once you're happy with your discount settings, you're going to go ahead and select who you're sending your email to. You can do it for participants or ticketing. We're going to do ticketing today in this example, but it's a similar process for both. And then you're going to go ahead and choose your recipients. So you'll start by selecting the number of years your recipients need to have attended to qualify for this discount. So we've only done this event 1 year in the past, so we're limited in that sense. But if you've been doing your event for 3 years, 5 years, you'll see all of those years here, as long as that data has been uploaded to our system. And then you can select which years are eligible, and then which event times specifically are eligible. You can select all event times. It's up to you how you want to do that. And then if you do your loyalty program with a range, so like 3 to 5 years gets a certain discount versus 6 to 10 years gets a different discount, you can do that up here as well. And then you can also opt to exclude people who have already bought tickets for this year and future events, or you can decide to include them. It's up to you. Once you're happy with those settings, you're going to go ahead and save and close. And then you'll customize your email below. You'll notice that we have some placeholder text throughout the email. This has all of the important information that your attendees are going to need to redeem that promo code. So be careful when you're editing it, but of course you can always, we have this guide up here for all of those placeholders, so you can reintegrate those as you need to if you want to fully customize this email. Once you're happy with what your email looks like, we'll go ahead and hit preview and send. Now, the nice thing about the loyalty program is that you can track its success. So if you click this show promotions button, it'll pull up a table. Now we haven't sent out a loyalty program promotion yet, so we don't have any results, but you'll see like the type, all of the different settings you've set up for who's eligible, the discount amount, and then you can see how many people have redeemed that code. So that's another nice feature here. And then one quick note, if you'll just need to verify your domain. If you already verified it in their mass mailer, it will just be verified and you won't see this. So that's handy as well, but it kind of, you verify one place, it shows up in that other place. So that's great. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.